Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here you're going to find content, analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and discount. Right here under sales channel, you're going to find online store and also point of sales. And lastly here, you're going to find apps. So right now, if you want to reset your Shopify store, just go here to online store. Here under, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. So just go to themes right here. And then once you go to themes, you're going to find your current theme. So right now, in order to reset your store, it's pretty easy. Just go here next to customize. You're going to find these three dots. Right here, you're going to find the option to preview, rename, duplicate. You can download the theme file, edit code, and edit default theme content. So right now, go ahead and click on edit code right here. And then once you do that, go ahead and expand the layout section. Once you do that, go to theme.liquid. And then here you're going to find this code. Scroll all the way down until here. And then all you need to do, guys, is delete this script right here. And once you do that, go ahead and click on save. And once you save your changes, go back. And then your store will be reset. You can click on customize to access the website editor, and then you can set up your online store again. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.